To add a smart device to your UltraSync system, or to change the background image used for an UltraSync site, go to the My Site screen and select the information icon next to the site you'd like to edit. To add a supported smart device to your UltraSync system, select Add Other Smart Devices. Select the type of supported device you'd like to add, and then enter the appropriate information. Note, most of these devices require a primary setup on their own website before they can be connected to the UltraSync system. Consult the operation guide of the smart device for additional information. Select Back to return to the site info screen. To change the background image used for an UltraSync site, select Change Background. You may choose from the preloaded UltraSync images by selecting the desired image, or you may upload your own photo by selecting the camera icon. If choosing your own photo, follow the prompts. Once you've selected the desired image, select the Site Info button. When you're done customizing your site settings, pressing Done will save the changes.
Remember, we offer nationwide UL monitoring services starting at $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or call us at 877-364-0918. You can also visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.